Do you want to move around your icons freely, or would you like them to auto-arrange and be locked in? I'll show you how to do that next. Alright, let's get into it. So you have icons over here, and you can move them around depending upon what your settings are. How you change this is right-click, View, Auto-Arrange Icons. If I click on that, and I go back over here, and I try to move this icon around, I can't do it. It puts it back into its original location, so it auto-arranges the icons. If I right-click, go View, and uncheck that, and I try to move this around, then I can move it around. So that's how you auto-arrange icons or move icons around and put them where you want them to be. There's also a piece of software that you can get your hands on that will allow you to put icons into groupings. It's called Fences. It's made by a company called Stardock. And they have a little video here that'll show you how to go through it if you want to check it out. They have a free version for 30 days. All that requires is your email address if you want to check it out. It's pretty inexpensive. Like I said, the free version will last you for 30 days, but the paid for version will run you $4.99 or $29.99, depending upon the options that you want to go with. But in any case, that's how you arrange your icons and auto-arrange your icons. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.